I'm at Arviv Medical, and today I'm getting a microneedling treatment. And right now Heather is putting the numbing cream on my face. That way I don't feel a thing.
It's a collagen induction therapy, so it helps stimulate collagen, it helps tighten the skin, it helps shrink the pores down, just overall help with the health of the skin and help with the skin cell turnover. So we cause these microscopic channels into the skin, and it helps penetrate, you know, your products. Just helps give that skin that healthy glow.
And it also helps with
tightening
and hyperpigmentation too, right? Yeah, and acne scars.
Yes,
and all
absolutely.
that good stuff that all of us women need.
I am applying a hyaluronic acid serum. This helps glide the pen. It also helps bind the moisture. We're causing microscopic trauma to the skin to promote that collagen production.
And it is painless. You feel it, but it's not pain. You just feel like there's a buzzing on your skin. Like pressure, but it doesn't hurt at all.
You see she's getting a little bit erythema, redness. That's normal. You want to cause that inflammation.
And that's good when it gets like reddish, bloody, right?
Yes, because that means we're causing inflammation to the skin. So your body wants to heal it, and in doing so, it promotes that collagen and helps tighten the skin, helps with fine lines and wrinkles, helps reduce the pore size.
Love it.
Now I'm applying a vitamin C peel. It doesn't burn. It may tingle or sting a little bit just because I did the microneedling prior, just to help everything really absorb. But vitamin C is really good for the skin. It also helps promote collagen. So it helps with the fine lines, the wrinkles, helps tighten up the skin and the overall health of the skin. So doing it in conjunction with the microneedling is really beneficial. She'll have a nice glow to her skin.
And it doesn't hurt or sting. I feel it like
a little bit of tingling.
A little bit of tingling. And I smell the orange and the...
Which smells amazing.
And it feels real soothing.
Mm-hmm. Actually...
Okay guys, so I got my microneedling and my vitamin C peel, and I feel amazing, and I'm so excited to see my results. But you see how I look crazy. So do you think I should go out for some drinks now? Just like this? What do you think, Heather?
Oh yeah.
I think so. Who cares, right?
You're still beautiful.